This isn't your ordinary ammo box. This is going to be a portable side-by-side fire pit. There's the
camping fire pit.
Camping fire pit. There's the gas hose. To use this, all you do is you take out your propane hose. You have a grate. The only thing that's missing right now is lava rock. So you will have lava rock in there. You pop off the lid. Here's your propane line connector. Look at that, guys. This does not have the lava rock in it yet, but check it out. It's an ammo can fire pit with a 20 PSI regulator on it. Rick drilled all the holes. We collected all the parts except for the lava rock. And there you have it. And it's warm. Rick drilled all those holes. They're on both sides. No leaking. So the last thing to add to it is just lava rock for on top of the grate.
Lava rock would help distribute the flame.
Yes. Cool, right? Thanks for watching.